All right, big up yourself, people. Welcome again to MG Sports TV. My sincere apologies. This is actually a preview for the Jamaica Football Championship and also a preview for the Jamaica Premier League. Now, I know you guys love the live stream, but unfortunately, I did not get the opportunity to do the live stream this time around. But you don't know, work goes on, have to carry on. That's a part of it. Anyways, we're going to touch on the Jamaica Football Championship first. Going to tell you guys the teams, the matchups, and also most definitely the featured game. All right, so first we have Grace Inn versus Reno FC. That's going to be played in St. Mary Sports Complex. Then we have Baptist Alliance versus Falmouth. That game we're going to play at Artis. We have St. Bess versus Chapelton. We have Medforest versus Brownstone FC, the youngsters. We have Falkland versus Portlanders. And we have Petersfield versus Hopewell. And the two teams I've mentioned is Racing versus True Juice. And that will be the featured game. A lot of people are cussing about MG. I keep on going so hey, it's closer. It's closer to me. It's really, really closer to me. Anyways, unless you want me to come and give you guys a specific feature, no problem at all. Anyways, so that's it for the Jamaica Football Championship. Quite an interesting matchup there. Just one big match for the day, I think, and that would be the Racing versus True Juice game. I think that's the bigger match for the day, most definitely. Now, let's get on to the Jamaica Premier League, which is coming up big. Give me a sec. Okay. I'm just looking for it here. Good. All right, so these are the matchups for the weekend. Some huge matchup. Some real good matchup for this weekend. Anyways, let's get straight to the meat of the matter. First matchup we have is Dunbeholden back over at Dunbeholden versus Treasure Beach. You guys know last time Dunbeholden played over there. Didn't turn out well. The homecoming game, the big game for them, the entrance game, the reopening of the Dunbeholden Sports Complex. And unfortunately, Mount Pleasant basically beat them up. Not bad, but Mount Pleasant beat them up. 3 goals were scored in the game. Mount Pleasant won the game. 2 goals to 1. And all 3 goals were scored by Mount Pleasant. An own goal, and I think was Bradford scored penalty from Daniel Green. Daniel Green penalty. Bradford second goal, and then now an own goal by Kimani Bailey. A pretty own goal. But let's see if Dunbeholden can regain back some homegrown strength, you know. It'll be interesting. I think that place I go full for that game. Next match we have at Westpow Park. We have Montego Bay versus Arnett. Now, for those who don't know, Montego Bay is actually on the uprising. Having some quality, they brought in some real top quality players to definitely strengthen the squad in the January transfer window. And obviously, since the guys have come in, they have pretty much gotten very, very good results since then. And I think that tentatively they're pushing for the top 6. They're really, really pushing for a playoff spot. And it's going to be interesting to watch what Montego Bay will be doing. But specifically at Westpow Park, at their home ground, they tend to churn out all the best results. So this is going to be a tough game for Arnett. Remember, Arnett coming back from a loss to a 3-1 loss from the main rival, Tivoli Garden. So this is a game Arnett will definitely try to bounce back from. It's gonna be tough. And when I got really, really tough, but I know that they will want to bounce back from this game. I think I'm gonna say maybe a draw. Maybe really lose down at Westport Park. That is your home pitch. They really lose down there. And I think because the size of the pitch and all these things are factors. But based off the quality they have, I think they can really match up to Arnett Garden this time around. So it's gonna be interesting to see that one. I think Dunbeholden is going to win the first. I didn't give a prediction. I'm going to go Dunbeholden maybe 3-1. I'm going to say Mobia Arnett. I'll say 1-1. I don't think Mobia going to drop points at this point in time. I think they're performing really, really well. Next matchup, we have Umberline versus Tivoli Garden down at Effortville. Now, the psychological aspect of this is Umberline coming off a defeat, Tivoli Garden coming off a win. A big win. A big high. They're coming off a serious high. Most definitely, that's a beautiful ball. Oh, I thought them gave me a watch the same way, but boy, one of them lose, but look at them all score. Anyways, yep, and here they go. Jaja Star, no, no, and they scored. Anyways, me lot more like off right now. Lot more like it off right now. Anyways, all right. So, Umberland, I think Umberland are go out the one. I feel like Umberland are go out the one. I think down at Efferville, I think a lot of the supporters will come out because they need the supporters' help. Umberland 100% need the supporters' help, and I think this is going to be crucial. I think this game is one of the turning point games for Umberland, and I think definitely I think they're going to get a result from this game. I did believe that Tivoli would have defeated Arnett, so that was not necessarily anything new, but certainly based off what I'm seeing here, I think I'm gonna go Umberland 1-0. I think Umberland is gonna fight it out. This is a team that is very, very, very physical, and Tivoli Garden play extremely physical. So I think it's gonna be a lot of physicality being matched up. So I think I'm gonna say maybe Umberland, maybe 1 or 2-1. Strange result. Me I tell you, strange. I don't know why I missed that. Anyways, next matchup we have Cavaliers versus Lymall. Cavaliers seems to consistently get the results over and over and time again. Lymall struggling, really struggling. I'm going to go with Cavaliers. Maybe Cavaliers going to score a lot of goals still. Cavaliers 3-0. I think Lymall definitely, even though they have improved since the transfer window, don't think they will have enough in the same sense to get anything. I don't think they have enough to get over Cavaliers. Next matchup, which will be down at Anthony Spalding. That 2 games, both Cavaliers and Lymall. Cavaliers, Lymall, and this game, Mullines and Portmore United will be playing at Anthony Spalding on Sunday. For one, I think even though Mullines have significantly improved since Jermaine Thomas take over the helm, they are playing pretty well. They are playing some good football. I still don't think, when you come on to the big boys, I don't think they're going to match up to the big boys as yet, even though they did over last weekend versus Mount Pleasant. Mount Pleasant created quite a few chances, did not capitalize. I do think, though, based off how Portmore United play, which is a very, very different breed from Mount Pleasant. Mount Pleasant want to hold possession. They want to stifle the game. They want to take so much control of the game. That allows teams to come back into game. Team like Portmore now is actually way more ruthless than Mount Pleasant. Extreme, way more ruthless than Mount Pleasant. And they will hurt you when they consistently go at you. So I am going to go Portmore United, maybe 2-1 for this one. Portmore United 2-1. Still have the best defensive record. Hopefully it remains that way. Monday Night Football now. Vere United versus Waterhouse. These games will be at Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Monday Night Football. Vere United versus Waterhouse. Waterhouse looking for a bounce back. Vere United a bit iffy. Not that consistent. But I think Waterhouse really want to bounce back from that home ground loss versus Cavaliers. Lost 1-0 to Cavaliers at home. I do think that this game is going to be quite an interesting one. I'm going to go Waterhouse. Perry, maybe a Perry Brace at Waterhouse 2-0. I'm going to go Waterhouse 2-0. Vere is just very, very inconsistent. Hopefully they can fix it, though. Big matchup now for the final game would be Harbour versus Mount Pleasant. Now, Harbour coming off a big win. Big win too. Over Umberland. I do believe, though, Umberland created whole heap of chance. The Umberland could have easily equalized. I don't think Harbour can give that amount of chances to Mount Pleasant, because Mount Pleasant don't give up a lot of chances. And if you do that and give so much chances to Mount Pleasant, they're going to hurt you. I do think at this present moment, Harbour is on their way up, but they still haven't reached that point as yet where they're going to take on the big boys and not say get a positive result, but dominating any factor. They haven't reached that level as yet. But we will see. Interesting to see. I do think, though, I'm going to go with Mount Pleasant. I'm going to say Mount Pleasant, even though Harbour play better versus the top teams. But I'm going to go Mount Pleasant 2-1. I think I'm going to go Mount Pleasant 2-1. I think that's... where Harbour going to get the goals from, though? Anyways, I think they can. Maybe a set piece or something. I would say Mount Pleasant 2-1. Mount Pleasant still continue their winning streak. Not a winning streak, but their undefeated streak. So they're in a good position. Mount Pleasant are really, really good position. Hopefully, I would want above you clamp them still, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button. Tell us, drop in the comment section. Drop your predictions in the comment section, people. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And if you're doing good, big up yourself. God bless you, people. MG Sports CV. We're out. Boom.